Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I'm going to talk about cooking basket. Ptfe for Turbochef Part NGC-1331.B. Cooking basket. Ptfe for Turbochef Part NGC-1331 is a replacement cooking basket designed for use with the Turbochef oven. This cooking basket is made of Ptfe, polytetrafluoroethylene, which is a non-stick, heat-resistant material that is ideal for use in high-temperature ovens. The basket has a capacity of up to 45 liters and features an open design that allows for maximum airflow and even heat distribution. The basket also has an ergonomic handle that makes it easy to remove from the oven. This replacement part is designed to fit the Turbochef oven. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement cooking basket for the Turbochef oven. It is made of Ptfe, polytetrafluoroethylene, and is designed to help improve the performance of the oven by providing a more even heat distribution and reducing sticking. It can also help reduce the amount of time needed to cook food, as well as improve the overall quality of the food cooked in it. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by ensuring that the Turbochef oven is powered off and unplugged from the wall. 2. Carefully remove the existing cooking basket from the oven. 3. Place the new cooking basket. Ptfe for Turbochef Part NGC-1331 into the oven, making sure that it is properly aligned with the slots in the oven's interior walls. 4. Securely fasten the basket to the oven using the provided screws and washers, making sure to tighten them securely but not too tightly. 5. Plug in and power on your Turbochef oven, and you are now ready to begin cooking with your. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.